Right, so it's got to the Phnom Penh night market. Look, check it out. So yeah, Phnom Penh night market here in Cambodia. Let's see what it has to offer. Alright, we'll see what they got. Got souvenir bits and pieces. Right now it's about 7:40 PM. I feel very busy. I think it shuts about 9 or 10. We've got Zara stuff there. Some big horse there, looks a bit odd though, but yeah.
Nah, the pot tăng mà căng miên sai không mấy ảnh ở đây á. Miên màu xanh mong một nồng. À thao đi mới anh miên mì. Nô su con đắng ra.
Perfumes as well. And it is still cooking, I'll tell you that. Very, very warm. Sorry. Look at that, got a live PA as well. Hello. Hello, you good, thank you. You got your food section here too. Let's have a quick look at the food area. Very traditional, no chairs. You just chill out on the rugs. First time I've seen that. Yeah, that's a first. Got the usual stuff. You got your seafood and meats. Yeah, standard procedure.
Oh, they're everywhere.
And you got cats just chilling everywhere. If you come here, the food section, yeah, sit down, very traditional, chill out on the little rugs. And look, the little cats there as well, chilling. They are chilled. They don't give a damn. Taking in the views, chilling, pretty eating too. It's hot. Yeah, look, the little cats everywhere. Look at him. Chilling. Yeah, a lot of these markets are very similar. Same kind of things, glasses, clothes, food, bags, watches. One thing here, the price is a bit high here because they use the dollar. And you know the deal, wherever they use the dollar, it will be more expensive. And it's noticeable. For instance, Grab in Vietnam was average like a pound. Here it's average about £3. So still cheap compared to the UK, but much more expensive. One thing we'll say here though, that in general people have been very friendly so far. Very welcoming, very friendly. So yeah, can't complain about that. Yeah, lots of watches, all the brands again. We made it. Once again, these roads are wild. Look at that view though, that's very nice, right? Nice, isn't it? Check it out, look at this. We'll do a river cruise. Yeah, look at this. Very nice. That's a nice backdrop right there. And look, this is where they set off from. So cruises all begin from here. You can head out there onto the river. Yeah, very nice.